To hit the like and subscribe button. And don't forget to share this video to all your media sources. I'm your buddy. I'm your friend. I'm Dark Matter. And I'm out. You don't love of the dark side.
DIY. Dark Matter. Hey, new wood turner. And I like to do wood carvings. As well, you might see some cooking videos and sleep videos as well. But for the most part, a deal of fun. And I hope that if you check out my videos, you will find something you enjoy. Please let me know what you like. I love to share my art with everyone. I don't claim to be a master at it. I make a lot of happy little mistakes, lol. So please subscribe and follow along with me on this journey on YouTube. And here are some links to some other sites. Sorry about the focusing, it's a little bit there, but I get the gist. And here, some for y'all to peep this out right quick.
Alright, let's get her off there.
Where'd it go? There it is. I almost thought that piece flew off there.
Spray down. The only thing that's holding it is that little whip. I don't want it to break.
It's real fast saying. Seriously enjoyed these videos here, and I watched all of them in full. There's a lot of guys that do this on YouTube, but only less than a handful that I personally know and watch or like, and this is one of them. And here we go, the finished product, y'all. Very impressive. Good job, buddy.
Billy, was pretty young. I know he played soccer. There was never one of those kids that they needed something, they had it. The Rasses were a well-respected family in the community.
Pretty cool. That's really cool. A nice, cool wood tone there.